all of the clips of me yawning.
Be a long video.
Just be like, just constant yawning.
Recording for that.
Stop it! Hey North Greenville, I'm huntermerck, and this is what you need to know.
Alright,
Hold on. Okay, sorry, I thought I was gonna yawn. Never mind, it's coming. Okay. The first coffee house of the semester is Thursday. I need to see what I'm saying again, I'm sorry. Come out to support your Crusaders. That sounded awkward. Holy crap, man. Really?
Ready?
Just gonna pass out. Okay.
Yeah.
We good? Oh no, sorry. It also isn't raining, so we're good. That doesn't mean to go slower. I just saw a cat.
Look at that. Look at that.
I am not hearing anything.
Wow, what a beautiful lens. Wait, whose lens is that?
We're recording, so whenever you're ready, in this.
There will be an school and online undergraduate programs on Monday. Hold on, I think I'm gonna yawn. It's not happening, but I can feel it. Okay. Stop it! Okay. I hope he's not recording, I swear.
am.
Oh, God. 11 to 2. You tell me to focus and then you do stuff like this.
Because you're taking a while.
You gotta entertain yourself. Thursday at 4:30, Outtakes is hosting the President's Picnic. Don't forget to bring your blankets to the President's front lawn for some blah, 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 words are hard. I can only say this so many millions of times before it gets old. And that's what you need. I didn't nap directly before this, so don't judge me. If you're interested in going to... Okay. Have you registered to vote? Monday, September 18th is the... You're gonna have so much fun looking at this later.